It's the start of a new year. It's a favourite topic. Everyone's been relaxing for 2 weeks, talking about it at family barbecues. Reserve banks, they're going up, they're going down. We're at record lows. Tell us, what's the Reserve Bank saying?
The Reserve Bank's still saying they're going to keep interest rates on hold. So we talk about the cash rate. They're still looking at that till late till 2023, 2024. However, they are predicting that we might see some increases in the rates. And if you had been listening to us over the last year, we've been begging you people to lock in if you've got a long-term interest rate thing, lock them in. If you had locked them in, you'll be smiling. If you haven't locked them in, you would have noticed that these things are already lifting already. So
Greg, why is the RBA still sticking to their 2024 position?
There's a couple of things, James. They want to see the economy grow. So they brought them right down to make sure that through the virus and all this sort of stuff. So looking at keeping the economy and getting the inflation up to the level that they want it to. Secondly, trying to keep looking at wage growth. Those are the two key things, the wage growth and the issue of trying to keep our economy moving and the inflation rate going. The reason why they're keeping their rates on hold. However, that doesn't mean the banks themselves won't raise them.
So why then do the commercial banks, and they're all predicting and forecasting that they're going to be increasing them? Some are even saying as early as the end of this year, the others next year. Yep. Why do they need to raise the rates then?
Because they can.
And if we can, we do. I assume is that basically how it goes? Is it?
It's a little bit that the Reserve Bank doesn't tell them what they have to and what they can't do. They're looking at they're a business like anything else, and they go, well, there's demand out there, whatever it is, we can raise our interest rates, and we've already seen that with regard to fixed term. Yep. As we've been begging people. Lock it in. Those who haven't, well, the sub twos are gone, and but it's still not all gloom and doom. We're still in a very good position in terms of interest rates.
Yeah. Look, I think definitely, as you said, Greg, notwithstanding, you could have locked in, the fixed rate when we've been begging you, all of 2020 and the start of 2021 for 1.9 something.
Yeah.
Even having an interest rate of 2.5% is a bloody good interest rate right now. I think. Whilst you could have saved a bit more had you have listened, or maybe you've only just bought your home and you couldn't, that is still a record low rate. So
it's record low. We were talking 5-6% up to 7s at times. So that's really, really good still. We're still in a very good position, So, yeah.